That there is a Snappy Dog. Howdy, y'all. I am in Chicago, and I just slipped into a Snappy Dog. A little tiny location on the street. It's some kind of neighborhood. I don't know what the neighborhood is, but it's considered Chicago, apparently. And as you saw, I got a Snappy Dog. And in true Chicago dog fashion, they pile their fries on top of the dog, which I don't like. The fries get all covered in sauce and all that. So it's a big dog. Looks like a good bun. Apparently the fries were already made up, which is... well, the guy's working by himself, so it's a poppy seed bun, lots of sport peppers, and fries, and sport peppers, and it's a big dog. Let's give it a try. The dog itself is good. It's a quality Vienna beef dog. Quality poppy seed bun. They've got, what's the name of the place? Snappy Dog. So they got snappy sauce on it. And the sport peppers, so it's got a little bit of a kick. There's some finely chopped onions. And of course, the french fries. French fries are okay. So it's a good dog. It's a thumbs up. Incredible dog. I've had some better, but this is absolutely a quality dog. Looks like there may be some barbecue sauce on there too, and some cheese sauce. Anyway, it's good. High quality all the way. Don't know why Chicago people put fries on their dogs, but I'm gonna try and eat this monstrosity without getting it all over myself, and enjoy it, and you enjoy your day, and see you next time. Bye.